Hey, this is Barney again, Barney's Aerosport. Just picked up this Zenoah G62 off of eBay. Got a really good price, include the easy start. And one of the things I like to do to the G62s is I like to run the 90-degree Toni Clark Practical Scale intake on them, puts the carburetor towards the back. And problem with doing that is that the coil wire gets a little bit stressed right here where it makes the bend around the 90-degree intake. So what I like to do is take the coil off, grab a file, and file these two lugs flat right here, a little bit of a flat spot on there, and then come in and drill and tap these two lugs for the 4 millimeter screw that normally holds it on there, and then you can mount the coil on the side like that, and frees up the coil wire, can go nicely up to the carb or to the head, and there's really no difference in the side interference clearance. It's still within the boundary of the carburetor. So it's a quick mod, and it saves the stress on and possible breakage of the coil wire.